Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Accord EXL. It is a certified Honda. It's Kona Coffee Metallic in color. Alright, it's got 30,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. This car was actually purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda and traded back in. Alright, it's a local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle for you. Alright, got your turn signals in the mirrors. Unlock lock button here in the door handle. It is equipped with the sunroof. Alright, this one's got the nice deck lid spoiler on it. Alright, rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything on the exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. Alright, we do have the blind spot monitoring camera, and I'll show you that in a second. Alright, but this thing's been well taken care of. Alright, so 2016, 30,000 miles on it, and it is a certified Honda. Alright, it's got the black on black door panels. Nice wooden insert here. Memory seats. Power locks, power windows. Alright, it's got black leather. Power driver's seat. Leather's in good shape. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. Alright, it does have the 2 keyless entry key fobs, and it does have remote start. Okay, let me pan back out a little bit, give you a shot of the sunroof there. Okay, it is an automatic. It does have the heated seats, dual climate controls, push button start. Alright, it's got your 2 screens right here for your backup camera, AM FM display, and also your blind spot monitoring display, and I'll show you that in just one second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Alright, steering wheel audio controls with Bluetooth. There's your blind spot monitoring button. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 30,724 miles on it. Alright, now as you can see, you got your display screens right here. Okay, I'll go ahead and try to dim that down just a little bit for you. Or actually, that was okay. Okay, we'll leave it right there. Alright, go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and then if I pan out a little bit, it'll also give you different options of the view of the backup camera, as well as the brightness. Okay, so we'll go back to park. Go ahead and engage the blind spot monitoring button. And what that does, it actually shows you a display of your blind spot. That's a great safety feature that Honda offers. Okay, and it also is whenever you turn on the turn signals. Okay, really cool feature that Honda offers. All right, and we'll get you back to your home screen here. All right, AC's been on now for about 5-10 minutes, blowing nice and cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and hop out and take a look in the back seat and your trunk space. Door panels look good. Back seat leather's in good shape. No problems at all. Access your cup holders in the back here. The back seat leather is in phenomenal shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look in the trunk. Got the nice hard plastic protector there. But a ton of room back here in these Accords. Lots of space. Go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. Alright, brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, just to recap, it's a 2016. It's got 30,000 miles on it. Okay, it is a certified Honda Accord EXL. It was bought brand new here. Okay, it's traded back in here. It's a local trade. It's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.